Have you asked yourself, what are some of the best ways to build rapport with a brand new prospect? For example, on a three-way call or after an event when they've just seen an opportunity presentation. Make sure to tune into today's video as I give you the 3 steps of how to form an effective rapport. Hey, it's Masha from Pyjama Bosses, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can take 3 steps and build a very quick rapport with a brand new prospect. Like I said, you can use this process to actually, use on a 3-way call as you are presented to a brand new prospect by one of your team members and you're helping them to answer some questions. So here's the 3 specific steps. The first step is to compliment them. We all know that we like hearing good things about ourselves, and so when you're able to compliment a prospect straight away, you can easily form rapport. That is an icebreaker. So if you don't know much about a prospect, then the best way to compliment them is to actually use the team member that you're helping and saying, Peter, who's on the line here today, has told me so many great things about you. I'm really excited to talk with you. Something generic like that will always open up the conversation and put the prospect at ease. The second step after giving them a compliment is called fishing. Now, fishing is all about, really starting to understand how much they know about your opportunity, starting to understand, where they're at and what they like the most from what they have seen. So if you're on a 3-way call, it is most probable that this prospect has been introduced to some of the information about your company product's opportunity, right? And so the best way to fish for some information is saying things like, hey, from what you've seen so far, what is the best thing you have liked? So this opens an open-ended conversation. It gets the prospect to share with you, and that's an opportunity for you to read in between the lines where exactly they're at, how much they already know, and where to pick up the conversation so you're leading it towards a decision on this 3-way call. So the first step was complimenting, second step was fishing, and then the third step after that I call probing. And the probing step is like a direct step where you're really probing if they're ready to get started, The best way to do that is actually going to the reason why they're looking for an opportunity or an income source or a product that you're actually distributing. So what I say usually is, hey Peter, or Mary, if Mary's a prospect, hey Mary, what has you in a position looking for an additional income stream? Hey Mary, what has you in a position of looking for better health choices? And that is a very important thing to do, because you don't just want to hear what they have heard from the information before getting on a 3-way call and what jumps out to them, but it's also about why were they actually committed to look. And as we know, the reason why is always the reason somebody's going to sign up. So, building that rapport through that 3 simple questions of complimenting, or 3 simple steps of complimenting, fishing, probing, you can actually strengthen the rapport before you start answering any questions. And then, of course, doing all the selling that we do on a 3-way call to actually get a decision from a prospect and get them started in your business. So I hope this really helps you, and if you got some value, make sure you like this video and you share it with your team straight away, because 3-way calls are some of the most underutilized tools that we have in our network marketing business to create more success faster. But if you're one of those people who really wants to create a 6-figure income, or even multiple 6-figure or 7-figure, then be sure to check out our training program called the 3-way Call Master Code. This is a 3-module training program based on our 10 years experience, and we have included absolutely everything on how you can actually introduce a brand new prospect to your team leader, how as a team leader you can actually also answer some questions, and everything else to automating 3-way calls. Be sure to check out the link that I'm going to give you right now, and I will see you on the other side.